This website is called Into the Book, and it deals with reading. It helps students build their reading strategies. It's got great tools for both teachers and activities for students. If you click on the Teaching Tools button, it'll take you to this page. Probably the part that I find the most useful are the reading resources. So if you click in that, I'm going to show you the summarizing. So we can click on that. It will break it down. It'll tell you the definition, what it means, what they should be able to do. The one I'm going to do is A Pirate's Life. So if you click on that, it's got a teacher's guide you can download as well as activity text. But if you scroll down, it'll give you the standards that go with this particular lesson. A couple other things my kids really like. They like the posters. Some of them are more exciting than others, but you can download those, print them off as you like. And there's also a song that you can play. I teach 6-year-olds, so songs are great ways to learn things and memorize them.
Let's go into the book. Jump in, take a look. First you read it, and you shrink it, make it your size. Summarize if you tell it.
Okay, I think you get the idea there, but it's just great. The kids really like it, and it's one of those things you're gonna get tired of hearing the songs because sometimes they get stuck in their heads. If we go all the way back out, we can go into the student activities. If it's the first time the kiddos log in, it'll have you put your name in, and then it'll give you a key and you can go back and use it. I created a key to be able to go straight in. So here's our summarizing button again that I told you we were going to use. And here is A Pirate's Life, the lesson that we looked at earlier for the teacher resources. So if I click on that, sorry, I've got slow internet going on. Okay, I'm going to pause and try to reload.
Really important in the text.
Sorry, it started right after I paused.
A summary should be short. You don't tell all the details. A good summary will help you remember what you read. Here's how to do it. Read the paragraph. Choose the main idea and drag it to the yard arm. Choose the important details and drag them to the sail.
Okay.
Ahoy, matey! Jellybones Jones has taken you aboard his pirate ship, the Bonnie Stingray. You'll be his first mate. And does he have a lot of work for you? Report to Jellybones immediately.
So it really just keeps going on. There's an option down here to save. There's an option to quit. But it's very interactive. The students like the fun voices. The pirate is one of their favorites, just because obviously the pirate voice. But it's a lot of great things as far as teaching your kids those important reading strategies.